Hi, this is Michelle with Pink and Maine. Are you ready to do an unboxing of our April Crafty Courtyard box? It's going to be out of this world. If you're a first-time subscriber, you're going to get the welcome package in your box as well, and you can see more details about that in our March unboxing video. This theme this month is the galaxy. As you can see, we have some awesome galaxy type colors with blues and purples, a little pink and teal. You can create all kinds of space-aged projects. You're going to get 2 sheets of our 110-pound luxurious ice rink cardstock along with 6 sheets of colored cardstock that coordinate with all the products in the box this month. You're also going to get one of our 8.5 by 11 project bags where you can keep all your goodies together if you like. This month our 6 by 6 stamp set has some awesome sentiments like you're a shining star and you're out of this world, as well as a layered moon stamp that's in the shape of a heart. So you can see on the postcard how it looks when it's stamped out. But you can layer up that moon and it's going to look so cool. We're giving you a stencil this month, a 6 by 6 stencil, which has some stars in it so you can create some galaxy backgrounds for your creations. We're also giving you a 6 by 6 paper pad. It's called Galaxy Foil, and it's full of lots of watercolor backgrounds with silver foiled stars. There's 24 sheets in the paper pad. You're going to get your 4 white envelopes that you get each month. This time we're also giving you some of our silver glossy dots. These are going to create lots of shimmer and shine on your projects. And speaking of shimmer and shine, check out this exclusive sequin mix with the stars. These are so sparkly. You're also getting 6 total yards of twine, 3 yards of each purple and a purple and white twist. We're including another surface ink this month in Barbershop, which is a nice blue. You're also getting a Wow embossing powder this month in Iris. And the purple mix that it has, it looks like a galaxy in itself. It's so cool. We're also giving you this month a white jelly roll pen, so you can add some white highlights and stars to all your galaxy projects. So much fun. And last but not least, we're including our 1-inch flare button or badge. That is great for collecting, and as always, it coordinates great with the kit. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I can't wait to see your creations this month with this out of this world galaxy Crafty Courtyard box. We'll see you again soon. Keep living the creative life.